two leading AI video narration tools, Synthesys and Lumen5 AI. Both are designed to help creators generate professional quality videos with AI-driven voiceovers, but they serve different needs. Synthesys focuses on lifelike voices and customizable avatars, giving users control over tone, emotion, and pacing. Lumen5 AI takes a more automated approach, turning text into narrated videos with visual scenes matched to your script. They both make video creation faster and easier, but each stands out in its own way. Synthesys is known for its advanced realism. It offers a huge range of voices across multiple languages and accents, along with detailed options to control delivery, speed, and energy. The AI avatars add a human element, syncing perfectly with voiceovers for presentations, explainers, and training videos. You can fine-tune pitch, emphasis, and timing, which gives content a professional, broadcast-like polish. It's built for creators who want precision and quality in every production, from marketing to e-learning. The interface feels polished and geared toward users who value creative flexibility. Lumen5 AI takes a different path, aiming for simplicity and speed. You can paste in a script or link to a blog post, and it automatically generates a video with narration, visuals, and subtitles. The platform's AI handles voice syncing and pacing, letting you focus on story flow rather than technical details. It includes a voice library with various tones, suited for explainer videos and social content. While it doesn't offer deep customization, it's perfect for creators who want to transform written material into engaging videos without spending hours editing. For teams producing frequent content, the automation makes it a major time saver. So which AI video narration tool should you choose? If you need natural-sounding voiceovers with full creative control, multilingual support, and realistic avatars, Synthesys is the stronger pick. But if you prioritize fast, automated production with minimal setup and easy text-to-video conversion, Lumen5 AI is ideal. Both tools simplify the process of creating narrated videos, and the right one depends on whether you value flexibility and realism or automation and efficiency.